guys, welcome back sa ating channel. It's day 2 already of our vlog in the US. So currently nasa baba na ako ng aming hostel kasi lalakad na tayo for we will be having again our tour today. But before that, ipakita ko sa inyo yung kabuuan ng hostel. Look at this, guys. Yeah. Yung hostel dito, guys, is ang laki ng mga common area. Meron silang billiards here. Tapos, ayan, may restaurant dito, guys. The Big Apple Cafe. It's quite good. It's quite good. Then, the good thing here is meron din sila ditong kitchen. Nasa basement pa siya. Which is I really like. Ang laki ng kitchen. This is the lobby, guys. Ganda ng lobby. Yeah. Ayan, so lalabas na tayo, guys. We will be going, our itinerary for today is we will be exploring the Lower Manhattan. So, probably mauna tayo sa Brooklyn. Tapos second is punta tayo ng Wall Street. Going to the Brooklyn Bridge is we will be taking the subway again kasi meron tayong subway. Nabili ko ito, guys, itong Metro na 7 days unlimited card sa airport. It cost me $36 I think plus the exclusive of tip. So we will be going also to the same station that we had yesterday, puntang Times Square. Kasi yun lang yung pinakamalapit dito na Times Square. Ayun, ay may pinakamalapit na station. So let's walk. Look at the side. Oh my gosh. One thing to consider when you take the subway, guys, is you have also to be mindful of the word local and express. Kasi pag local trains yung sasakyan mo, lahat ng mga station, bababaan niya. Pero pag express train is there are some stations na hindi niya bababaan. So, when the word is self-express, so mas mabilis ka makakarating doon. So, nasa subway na tayo. Nasa station na tayo, guys. So, wala pang ferry. Ito yung train tracks nila, guys. Nandiyan na yung train, guys. Parating na siya. Guys, we have arrived at the Fulton Street now. So from Fulton Street is exit tayo going to William Street. Ayan, baho. Medyo mabaho yung elevator, guys. Mapanghi. Something like that. One good thing lang talaga sa mga sa subway ng ng Japan, South Korea, malilinis talaga siya, mabango. Dito is so nasa exit na tayo ng Fulton and William Street. So dito natin yung tatahakin. Mag-Google Map tayo going to the Brooklyn Bridge. You know what, guys? Google Map is very reliable this time. Kahit sa Taipei, Taiwan, ginamit ko siya. Napaka-reliable. So, let's see kung saan banda. Ayan, guys. So, we are now following the route sa Brooklyn Bridge. Currently, guys, so far, yung Brooklyn Bridge is yung Google Map is napaka-reliable for me. Even since sa Taipei namin na trip, ito yung ginamit ko. Ay, kanina pala sa subway is meron tayong mga nakita na mga homeless people. No? So, homeless here in the USA is parang normal thing na siya. No? So, what general rule for that is never look in the eye. Do not engage conversation para walang para smooth ang labanan. Guys, look at the skyscraper in the US. Oh my gosh. Guys, nasa Brooklyn Bridge na tayo. Which way? So, may mga tao na doon na palakad. So, atin na lang siyang susundan. Meron palang guys, big bus na hop on, hop off. We are walking down the street going to the Brooklyn Bridge. Oh my God, guys. Look at that. Medyo mainit, guys. Pero compared sa Taipei, mas mainit doon. Today is 30 degrees Celsius. Sa Taipei, umabot ng 38. Okay. So, hintayin na natin yung mga tayo. What we're doing is we'll just have to follow the trail. Look at the people aligning doon, guys. So, parang may prosesyon. Look at that. Oh, may procession ata guys. Daming tao. Dito na yung starting point ng Brooklyn guys. Kakahingal yung lakaran na punta dito. And wow. The entirety of the Brooklyn Bridge will stretch up to 2 kilometers or 1 to 2 kilometers. Not sure. Though mainit siya guys, hindi siya ganun ka-humid compared sa Taiwan. Pero talagang high blood. So dito is carry lang kasi though mainit siya, malamig yung hangin. Perfect. Welcome to the Brooklyn Bridge. And this is one of the iconic spots here in New York. Can you see me? Yan sa lakarin natin guys, yung kabuuan ng Brooklyn Bridge. It's a very nice. Oh, maganda. Perfect. Guys, yun yung Pier 17. Parang dyan yung papuntang Staten Island. And look at the skyline of New York. There's another bridge on the other side, guys. That's the bridge of Manhattan Bridge. That's a new bridge. This one is the oldest bridge here in New York. We are now walking down the street going to the Dumbo kasi from here ano mo na yung Dumbo, which has a good spot also here in may good spot din siya sa Dumbo, sa Brooklyn Bridge. So after natin doon sa guys, sa Brooklyn, we just follow the trail sa Google Map papunta ng Dumbo. Kanina pala dyan guys, may bintahan ng mga souvenir shops. Nakikita ako ng hat na $5 lang. And what's amazing here in the US is since pag-arrive ko kahapon, hindi pa ako nag-withdraw ng cash. So lahat ng mga naging transaction ko or payment ko is through credit card lang. And it's amazing to see that through the phone, pwede na palang mag-tap na lang ng payment nyo via credit card. Guys, dito pala sa Dumbo is yung Manhattan Bridge pala yung featured niya. Ayan yung Manhattan Bridge, oh. Very nice. So dito yung photo op. Then may along the streets may mga din, kainan siya guys. Check guys sa Dumbo. Parang may good spot din here for Ayan guys, so after natin nagpa-picture sa Manhattan Bridge, sumakay tayo ng B25 bus going to somewhere, papunta tayo ng Battery Island kasi Battery Park for our 4-hour Ellis Island tour sa Statue of Liberty. Yan, oh my gosh. Nasa Borough Station na tayo guys. Ay, it's not a Borough, it's Bowling Green. So from here is pupuntahan natin yung meet-up point ng Ellis Island tour sa may Statue of Liberty. And as far as I have seen, 2 p.m. pa. Bakit ang daming tao dito? Maraming tao dito guys. Ito yung Battery, Bowling Green fence. Ang daming tao. Dami siguro pupunta ng ng mga nakapunta dito. Ang dami siguro papunta ng Ellis Island. And so nandito na tayo sa Battery Park guys kasi dito yung kick-off ng ating Statue of Liberty. Prior pala coming here guys, kaninang umaga pala lang purchase pala ako ng Go City Pass sa Klook. That is Go City Pass is good for 7 attractions na mabibisit natin siya. For me, it's a kind na siya. It's a bit mura na siya guys kasi yung mga attractions dito in the US hindi talaga siya bababa ng 2,500 yung entrances, no? So kung yung price na nakuha ko na 7 passes is worth 10,000, So kung tag 2.5 yung entrances dito, so 4 lang dapat siya na mapupuntahan mo ng mga spot. But with a Go City Pass, for 10,000 pesos, 7 na ang mabibisit mo na spot. So ito yung first natin na activity, which is the Statue of the Liberty. So ito sa mga highlight. Then baka later mamaya, as part of our itinerary today, we will be visiting the Empire State Building. It's not Empire State of Mind. Tinagay isang lively, may marami nagbibenta ng mga fruits dito. What's amazing guys is they accept card. Despite yung ganun kaliit na mga stores, $10. Mahal dito guys. Doon sa Brooklyn, sa may Dumbo, $5 lang siya. Sa loob mo, hindi ka pa nakapag-purchase ng tickets online, diba? Pipila ka doon. So since naka-purchase na tayo, diretso na tayo sa departure area.
Hold on a minute, no.
Ito yung pila guys for the food. Ang daming tao. Ang daming tao. They're kind of strict guys when it comes to security here sa Ellis Island. Papunta ng so para talaga siyang sa airport yung scenery. That's our ride guys. Oh my gosh, Miss Liberty. And nandun na sa kabila si Liberty. Chores lang siya guys. So let's go backstage kasi doon yung best spot. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Dito pa tayo sa pinaka rooftop na talaga tayo guys. Oh, this is ganda mode. Like look at this skyscraper. Oh, di Manhattan. That's the Miss Liberty. It's up to New York. That's the oh my God, Miss Liberty is there. The story of the Statue of the Liberty, guys, is this was given by France as a gift to the United States in celebration of the Independence Day on July 4th. So, kaya may tinatawag sila na 4th of July. Okay, so what will happen guys is mag-disembark na kami dito ngayon sa Statue of Liberty. Then we will be roaming around the island as long as we like. And then pag gusto mo nang bumalik is you just have to be here in the port again para sumakay ng ferry pabalik na ng New York. So depende sa pacing mo kung gaano ka katagal mo stay dito. Ang daming tao guys. Oh my gosh. Ang daming pupunta. New York is rated as one of the most top visit destination in the world. No wonder why there's so many people here in New York. So let's just follow the trail until we reach the main statue. Actually guys, after here's the Statue of Island, part of the tour also is we can visit the Ellis Island. Pero wala pa akong Ellis, so hindi mo na ako mag-i-Ellis. Kasi wala pa akong damit. Ano yan? Pwedeng maligo, be? There are some food stops also here that you can eat. Actually, you can climb up there sa pinakadulo ng Statue of Liberty. Yung sa may torch ni Miss Liberty, pwede yung pasukin siya guys. But that will cost you another entrance fee. Then, unfortunately, hindi available yung ticket papasok sa torch ng Liberty. So, I remember Miko Bao, nakapasok siya dyan. Ayan, nakapagpahinga. Dito pala yung plus yung crown guys, yung crown ticket. So, pag may crown ticket na kayo, pwede kayong pumila dito, papasok sa loob. Pero yung crown ticket guys is madaling maubos sa isang araw. So, if I were you, if you plan to visit the Crown Tower, you need to book it ahead. It would be better if days ahead pa siya or few months. Kuha lang tayo ng picture sa harap ng Statue of Liberty. And then after that is, babalik na tayo sa mainland ng Manhattan para sa ating next destination. I am planning to visit the Wall Street after this. Then after Wall Street is Memorial. Then papasok tayo ng isang observatory deck. Yung skyline ng Manhattan. Tapos nandun sa kabila, yan yung Ellis Island. So, part din yan siya ng tour natin. But I am not sure if I will be visiting Ellis. Yan, ang ganda. Tapos, dito na guys, sa harap yung malapitan si Statue of Liberty. Guys, dito na yung spot na pwede mo mag-picture si Miss Liberty. Harap. Kulay green na pala siya ngayon. We are back at the Battery Park. Yung last trip pala ng Star Princess para Liberty is 4 p.m. So wala na masyadong tao pagbalik namin. Ashpin wala na talagang tao. So right now is we'll be going to Wall Street. Kasi yung picturesque na yung famous na parang may tamba. Saan ba yun? Carabao ba yun? Something like that. So malapit lang siya dito guys. One station away lang siya. I don't know if pagsasubway ba tayo o lalakarin natin. Yung pupuntahan pa lang natin guys is, actually yung sa isip ko na pupuntahan is yung bowl, yung charging bowl. So the charging bowl is not located in Wall Street. Dito pala siya sa station kung saan tayo bumaba kanina papunta ng Ellis Island. Ayan, yung charging bowl. Famous din ito na spot sa mga movies. Ayan guys, so tapos na tayo sa charging bowl. So our next destination is the Memorial, the 9/11 Memorial Center. As per checking sa map, we need to walk a little bit. Tapos sasakay tayo ng bus. It's a bus pala in M55. So yung bus na, yung MTA natin na 7 days unlimited ride siya ng subway. At the same time, unlimited rides siya ng bus. So, very convenient siya, guys. We are now already here at the 9/11 Memorial. Dito yung pinaka-saddest day nangyari. Yung pinaka-saddest day ng oh my gosh, One World Observatory ng USA. Kung saan dito yung dalawang Twin Tower na bumagsak. There are police along the streets in New York. So there are a lot of maraming mga police na naka-standby sila to maintain the safety and the peace on the every attractions here in the New York. This is it. Parang entire ginawa na lang siya ganito para memory na lang siya. Then dito din guys nakasulat yung mga names ng mga nasawi during that incident. Nakalungkot naman. So yung isang memorial guys is nandito siya. The other one is nasa likod niyan. So puntahan natin yung pangalawa. Tapos yung mahabang building na yan na yung One World Observatory there. Papasok tayo dyan today. This is squirrel. Oh my gosh. Oh, squirrel guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is squirrel. Guys, dito din pala yung structure ng Oculus. Oh. Look at. Dito lang siya sa Memorial Park. Wow. What a nice infrastructure. Grabe. let's get inside sa kanilang observatory din.
All we need to do is just head down to the kiosk.
Thank you. Ayan guys, so in-scan muna natin kanina doon yung ating QR code sa City Pass. Tapos nakakuha tayo ng ganito. So may time slot pala siya na pwede kayong magpasok. So yung nakuha ko na time is 7:20. So it's 7:11 already. So papasok na tayo. Dito na yung entrance guys. So pag wala kang pass, ibabayaran mo is I think parang nasa $10 din, 500 pesos. Okay, so, ayun guys. Papasok na tayo. Meron din pala silang restaurant sa loob. Bawal yung selfies. Bawal ang tripod dito guys. So kinonfiscate nila yung tripod ko. Para na-remember ko yung Taipei 101 dito. Sasakay tayo ng elevator guys. Going to the top of the building. Para makakita tayo ng bird's eye view ng whole Manhattan. Wow. Parang may interactive video siya guys. So, oh my gosh. Guys, may pilahan na nagaganap here. One World Observatory, see forever.
Step down, please. Step down to the left.
Dynamic, diverse, and ever-changing, the city and skyline reveal themselves uniquely to each observer.
Oh my gosh. Hindi ko in-expect yung wall na bukas. Ganda tingnan sa labas. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Guys, ang ganda. So, hindi pa ito yung observatory deck, guys. So, one floor down to the... Tigas na mga ulo ng mga tao. Oh my gosh. This is the exact 360 views of the downtown Manhattan. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. That's the Statue of Liberty. You can see it. I think that's the New Jersey National Park. Observation deck sa One Observatory is still part of our Go City Pass. Oh my God, this is not the downtown Manhattan. I can see the Empire State there. Then the Edge, yung the Edge. So, pupunta natin yung the Edge bukas. Look at that, guys. Oh God, the holy! Who needs drone if you have this kind of view upstairs, here? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so. Oh my gosh, that is the entirety of Manhattan. The other side is the Brooklyn. The farther side is the Bronx. So hindi natin makikita yung dito, yung Central Park.
बारिश हो रही है
Brooklyn Bridge.
हाँ चलो सही है मानो का
Manhattan Bridge. Exitan natin guys. Na pinag-exitan natin is Oculus na pala siya. Ito na pala yung loob ng Oculus. Yung nakita natin na white structure sa labas. Dito na pala yun. Ito pala yung looban ng Oculus. At saka, connected na po ito sa subway. Ngayon, maghahanap tayo kung may makakain ba dito. Guys, may iPad, may Apple Store pala dito sa sa Oculus. Sa loob. Hindi ko ito na-check. Gusto ko kumain. Bakit kayo makain dito, be? Bakit puro bentahan na lang ng mga damit? Ayun, after natin kanina nag-one world observatories, pumunta agad ulit tayo dito sa Times Square para mag-dinner. Diyan ako mag-dinner dyan. Sa Kings. Twice na ako nag-dinner kasi gutom ako kanina. Twice na ako mag-dinner dyan sa Kings. Tapos I'm so hungry kanina. Hinahanap ko yung Joe's Pizza pero hindi ko pa siya malocate. Bukas na rin natin. Ayan, so I guess dito na muna mag-ian ng ating second day here in New York. So, I'll be heading home na back to our hostel. Bukas na naman tayo ulit panibagong city tour na naman, DIY. So, if you want to know more about my DIY trip here in New York, don't forget to click subscribe with my channel. See you in our next video. Bye-bye!